Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making candied apples. Without further ado, let's get started. Peel and core the apples, then cut them into small pieces. Soak them in water for a few minutes to prevent oxidation and discoloration, then drain and set aside. Next, prepare the batter. Pour 100 milliliters of water into a bowl, add 50 grams of cornstarch, and stir until the batter is thick and smooth, ready to coat the apple pieces. Then, start frying the apples. Pour 1000 milliliters of oil into a pan and heat until moderately hot. Coat the apple pieces evenly with the batter, then carefully place them into the hot oil one by one. Fry the apples, turning occasionally for about 3 minutes until they are lightly crispy. Remove from the oil. After that, prepare the syrup. Add 15 milliliters of oil to the pan and heat on low. Add 10 grams of sugar, stirring constantly with a spatula. Cook on low for about 1.5 minutes until the sugar gradually melts. Next, coat the apples with the syrup. Your delicious caramelized apples are now ready to serve. Enjoy the sweet, sticky treat. Friends, you must try our candied apples. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.